41 to 50 ma, what should come in the place of the question mark ma? Simplification circle ma, exact ma, not approximate ma, exact values ma. 512 into 15 ma, it is approximate, not exact ma. So we should calculate exact value only ma. So 1296 is nothing but ma 36 square. So it will become as ma into 36 into 115 ma. That 6 into 100 times ma 3600. Again 15 times ma 15 6 ma 90, 9 balance 45 90 and 54 and 4140 that is 4140. 15 to 30 3 balance ma 15 1 15 18 1 7576 ma 7680 minus 4140 ma minus 4140 nothing but ma 35 option C ma 3540. Next, here ma cube root of 4096 ma already we learned that ma regular class also. 4096 is nothing but ma 16 cube. It is ma 35 square. Minus 14 becomes as ma plus 49. But ma 40 70 80 86 91 100 ma 100 is nothing but ma 10 square. Next ma 1/9 of 1953 ma by cancelling with 9 ma 9 2s 18 1 9 1 9 63 1 9 7 ma there is ma 217 ma 18% of 125 ma 18% ma we can take it as ma 20% minus 2% ma 12 and half 12 and half ma 25 minus 1.25 1.2.5 ma 25 minus 2.5 nothing but ma it is 22.5 22.5 ma. So minus 217 ma becomes plus ma 217 plus 22 and 217 237 239.5. So 239.5 by 5 becomes as into ma into 5 ma. See roughly ma 1000 150 1150 1150 1197 ma 1197 means option C. Option C ma. Next, here ma all basic additions only ma, but not approximate ma exact values only ma exact values only ma. So see roughly ma it is 127 plus 224 and 12 ma 127 224 ma 2 320 351 ma 351 351 361 363 363 minus 312 ma 363 minus 12 అంటే 31 3 minus 12 ma 51 ma 51 balances ma it is 0.5 ma 1 1.4 minus 2 ma 1.2 1.2 nothing but ma 53.2. Next ma next, here ma 180 divided by 0.04 into 2.5 plus 120 ma. Here ma 180 0.04 ma if you remove the decimal ma 4 you will get ma here 2 zeros into 2.5 plus 120 ma into 2.5. Here we can multiply ma because otherwise 4 4 the 16 25 ma 4 5 ma with decimal ma we can cancel 0 ma 45 into 10 ma 450 into 25 ma 450 into 25 ma 25 5s 125 25 4s ma 100 plus 12 ma 112 11250 plus 120 ma 11 to 11 370 nothing but ma 11 370 ma option E. Next, 15% of 540 ma 15% means 10% plus 5%. 54 plus 27 ma 54 plus 27 81. 17% ma 17 1 percentage is ma 22 1% 22 17 times ma 340 plus 20 means ma 340 plus 34 ma 374. It is ma 26% of 450 becomes as the minus ma 26% ma 20% plus 6 ma 10% 45 45 96% ante 24 and 26 ma nothing but 116 minus here ma 370 455 116 ma 339. How much percent of and ma 339 nothing but ma this is ma by 5 becomes because for percentage ma double zero cancel by 5 ma 5 6 30 5 67 point nothing but ma option C ma option C. Next, Here ma, as per board master ma, first ma division 12 by 6 nothing but ma it is 202. 15 by 3 nothing but ma it is 5. 202 into 5 ma 1010 minus 990 20 ma 20 into 500. 100 equal root question mark ma nothing but ma that we should be 10,000. If it is 10 ma that value is 100. Next, here ma as per board master first ma multiplication ma here one multiplication here ma here 4 into 22 ma 88. 14 eights ma 112 nothing but this entire value ma 110 90 200 ma 200 minus 160 170 ma, nothing but 24. 66 2 by 3 nothing but ma 200 by 3 into 66. 33 1 by 3 nothing but ma we can take it as ma 1 by 3 nothing but 100 by 3 ma, that is 33 1 by 3 nothing but 100 by 3 into 33 ma 3 11s 3 22 ma 22 into 2 ma 4400 minus 1100 ma 44 minus 11 ma 33. Next ma here ma 9604 is the already we know that ma 98 square 98 square ma by 2 becomes as into ma 2 into 815 ma 1630 minus 98 ma 1630 minus no, sorry plus 98 becomes negative nothing but ma 17 16 1728 ma 1728 nothing but which cube ma 12 cube because question mark cube is given ma 12 cube ma option A. Next one ma average weight of a group of people is 64 kgs. If a person whose weight is 65 kgs left and a new person whose weight is 45 kgs joined the group, then average of the group is reduced by half kg. What is the total number of persons in the group? How many persons are there? We don't know ma. From that one person is left, his weight is 65 kgs. Instead of him, one more person is joined ma. His weight is 45 kg. 65% 65 kgs person left out instead of 45 kgs person, obviously average will decrease because joined person weight is lesser than the earlier person ma. So how many kgs are less ma? 20 kgs are less became. That's why average decreases by half kg. Average half kg decrease అయ్యిందంటే obvious గా every person కూడా half kg decrease అవుతున్నారు. Average decrease అయ్యిందంటే obvious గా every person decrease by half kg ma. But overall 20 kgs decrease ma. So in 20 kgs, how many half kgs ma? 40 will be there. So what is the answer ma? 40 candidates. Answer ma 40 candidates ma. 20 kgs decrease ayyinda ma. Every person average go half but 40 will be there. So 40 kgs ma. Sorry, 40 persons ma. 40 persons. Next. A shopkeeper bought an article at 20% discount on the market price and sold them 10% higher than the market price. If he earns 750 rupees, the cost price of the article is. So, MRP, on MRP, a shopkeeper was getting how much percentage? 20% discount. With that price, he was purchasing. With that price. And after that, he then sold them at 10% higher than MRP must. He was sold at 10% higher than MRP. For example, if it is 100, this should be 80. Selling price is 10% more than MRP man, not on cost price, 10% more than MRP. Nothing but on this 10% extra ma, nothing but sale for ma 110, selling for 110 ma. In this transaction ma, he was earning how many rupees? 750 rupees. That means he bought for 8 rupees, selling for 110 ma. What is the profit ma? 30. As per assumption 30, the 30 is equivalent to 750 ma. So 30 is equal to 750. But question asking the cost price is how much ma? What is the cost price? 80. Then what is 80? If 30 is 750 ma, what is 80 ma? Here simple ma, with simply we can zero cancel. 325 times ma. 125 అయినప్పుడు 80 ఎంత అవుతుంది మా 25 8s ma 200, nothing but option B ma 2000 rupees. Next ma, a sum of amount becomes 16500 in 4 years, 18900 in 7 years at the rate of simple interest ma. Simple interest, find the compound interest at the same amount at the rate of 20% for 2 years ma. So during 20%, 2 years, 20%, So as per compound interest ma 44, so compound interest ma 44% is that thing we should identify ma. What is the 44% value? Before that we have to know the principal ma. He was given clue in 4 years 16 5 7 years 18 9, but duration difference ma 3 years. For 3 years how much was getting extra ma? 16 5 18 ma 17 or 19 plus 24 ma. 3 years ki interest ma 2400 rupees. That means 1 year interest is 800 rupees ma. In this 4 years interest undama dantlo, in that 4 years interest ma, if you remove that balance will be principal ma. 1 year 800 ante obvious ka for 4 years ma 3200. If you subtract the 3200 ma, if you subtract 3200 ma, how much ma? 32 and subtract say 13,300. So principal is 13,300 rupees. It is the principal. But question asking what is the compound? So in this ma, in this we require 44 percentage value, 44% value ma. Don't calculate ma. 44% obvious ka 4 3s are 12. Last digit we will get the 12 ma. 2. Last digit is 2. Last digit 2 is only one option ma, 5852. So no need to calculate ma. Directly you can get the answer because only one option is satisfying the condition ma. Right ma. Next. A man bought a TV two successive discounts of 20 and 25. If he received 4,500 as a total discount, then find the MRP. Ma. So two successive discounts. Ma. Whenever successive, X plus Y plus X by 100. Ma. Nothing but both are discounts. Ma. Both are negatives. Minus 20, minus 25. Minus into minus, ma. Plus 20 into 25 by 100. 25 fours, 4 5s. Ma. Minus 45 plus 5 ma, nothing but minus 40. Overall discount is 40 percentage ma. But in terms of money ma, how much discount he was getting ma? 4500. So this 40 percentage is equal to 4,500 rupees. Then what is MRP ma? 100% means how much ma? MRP ma. 40% is 4500 ma. That means 10%. That is 4 times ma. 4 tens, 4 ones, ones, 1 ma, 4 twos, 1125 ma. 10% is 1125, nothing 1250. Option A ma. Next. The sum of the present age of Jatin and Rohan is triple of the Jatin's. The sum of the present ages of Jatin and Rohan is the triple of the Jatin's age before 6 years ma. Condition ma, sum of present age of Jatin and Rohan is equal to triple of Jatin's age before 6 years ma. Triple of Jatin before 6 years ma. That is one condition ma. Jatin J ma, Rohan R. And after 10 years the ratio of the ages of Jatin and Rohan's become 5:3 ma. Jatin and Rohan ratio ma, after 10 years 5:3 ma. What will be the age of Rohan after 2 years ma? Question asking Rohan's age after 2 years ma. After 2 years is how much ma? So if you go for one by one option verification ma, as per one by one option verification, first option is 2 years. It is not suitable because he require after 2 years. After 2 years means present will be 0 ma. This one we can't consider. So go for next option ma. After 2 years, if his age is 3 years, present will be how much ma? 1. Present will be 1. Present 1 ma. Present 1 means it is after 3 years ma. Present 1 means after 10 years ma. 1 plus 10 ma, 11. 3 parts 11 ma. So that is also we can't get exact value ma. So we can eliminate ma second option also. Go for next option ma, 4 years. After 2 years, 4 years and present 2 years ma. Present 2 after 10 years ma, 12. If 3 parts is 12, 5 parts will be 20. These are after 10 years ma. Present he was 10, he was 2. These are present. Should you know, if this condition is satisfied, that is suitable ma. Jatin plus Rohan, 10 plus 2, 12, equal to 3 times of Jatin minus 6, 10 minus 6 at the ma, 4. 12, 12 both are equal ma. The condition is satisfied. So obviously option C ma. Option C was satisfying the condition ma. Next. 56 ma. A and B can do together a piece of work in 16 days. The ratio of the work efficiency of B and C is 3:5. If A and B can do the same work with the help of C in 12 days, in how many days A alone? Question asking A alone can finish the work in how many days? We know that all together A plus B plus C can finish the work in 12 days, and A and B together can finish the work in 16 days. From this 12 and 16 LCM of 48. So entire work is 48 units in 12 days they can do 4 units 16 3 times. Combinedly 4 units chase A and B doing 3 units, and obviously C was doing 1 unit 48 by 1. Nothing but C can complete the work in how many days 48 days. But question asking not C question asking what about A one more condition we know, B and C efficiency ratio B and C efficiency ratio is 3:5. Now C was taking 48 days to finish the work purpose with 5 efficiency. With 5 efficiency, he was doing 48 days So that means total work is 240 units 240 units. B purpose he will take how many days 80 days. So obviously B can complete the work in 80 days. But A asking A. So subtract the B from this 16 80. What is the LCM 80? 16 5 times 80 1 time. Combined 5 cases B was doing 1. So 5 minus 1 nothing but 4. So A can complete the work in 20 days. A can complete the work in 20 days. The option E. Option E. Right. Next. The speed of the boat in still water. The speed of the boat in still water is 8 km per hour more than the speed of the current of the river. So boat speed is 8 more than the stream speed. That is one clue. Right now, next. If the boat goes 104 upstream and come back in 21 hours, the speed of the boat in still water. What is the speed of the boat in still water? So it went to 104 in upstream and came back, but downstream. Entire journey purpose but taking 21 hours. Here basically time is nothing but distance by speed. 104 went in upstream and 104 came back in downstream. This entire journey purpose it was taking how many hours? 21 hours. Time nothing but distance by speed. Here upstream speed we should write. Here downstream speed we should write. Just no need write. Just think that. Think that. Just once think that. Generally 104 you will get in which tables? You will get. So 104 most probably you will get the idea. 13 8 is 104 Take it as if it is 8, if it is 13 is it satisfying the condition? 13 8 plus 13 21 satisfying So it is the downstream speed it is upstream speed. Speed of the boat in still water. Downstream speed plus upstream speed by 2. 13 plus 8 21 by 2. Nothing but 10.5. 10.5 option C. Just guess the values no need to use that clue also. We can use that also, but no need to use but directly just to guess the values Next. Bag contains 5 black, 4 green, 6 yellow balls. If a man picked 2 balls without replacement, what the probability that balls are green color? So he picked 2 balls. The 2 balls he want the green color. So how many greens are there? 4 greens. From that we should pick up 2. So 4C2 by total how many balls are there? 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 6 15. 15 balls, we should say 2 balls. So 15 C2. That 2 ball he want as a green color. Right? 4 C 2 steps reduced by 2 factorial. 2 steps reduced by 2 factor. 2 factor anyway gets cancelled. So no need right? 2 steps reduced 4 into 3 12 by 15 into 14. Here we can cancel 3 4s, 3 5s, 2 2s, 2 7s. 2 by 35. 2 by 35 and option A. 2 by 35 option A. Next. 59th. 59th. How many 6-digit telephone numbers? 6-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9. We should use digits 0 to 9. If each number starts with 9 and ends with 0 and no digit is repeated, 6-digit numbers. Right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6-digit numbers we should prepare, and condition start with 9. 9 here fix, end with 0. 0 is fixed. So these two we should not change. Those are fixed. Those are fixed. So remaining only our wish. Remaining out of 0 to 9. 0 finish, 9 finish. The balance 1 to 8 are balance. 1 to 8 numbers are balance. These numbers we should arrange here. In this place 1 to 8, among that ma any one we can get. That means here 8 chances, one is went out here, balance ma 7 chances because no repetition ma. Here 7, 6, 5. So what is the answer ma? 5 6 are 30, 37 ma 210, 21 8 ma 168, 168 ante option E 1680, 168. Next, in an examination, a student has scored 38% marks and failed by 28 marks. And another one got 45%, he would have passed by 49 marks. Better he was getting more than pass marks. 49 marks pass can say. Okay, now what were the minimum marks required to pass? 38%, 45%, what is the percentage variation? 7 percentage. 7 percentage is equals to how many marks ma? 28 to 49 ma? 40, 68, 77. 7% equals 77 marks. 1% equals to 11 marks ma. But question asking what is the pass marks? To get pass, how many marks required ma? First candidate already got 38% marks. To pass still he required how many marks ma? 28 marks. It is a pass mark ma. That is already marks. These also we should convert in terms of marks ma. 1% equal 11 marks అంటే 38 11s బా 38 10s are 380 plus 38 బా 380 plus 38 అంటే 418, it is 418 marks. So ఎంతమా 410 430 446, option D మా 446 marks, right ma. Next, Aman, Biman, and Chaman started a business together, investing 14, 18, 21,000 respectively. After 3 months, Aman invested 6,000. Next, after 3 months, Biman invested 7,000. And next, after 3 months, Chaman invested 4,000. At the end of the year, total profit was 14880. Then the share of the Chaman in the profit. So all are in terms of thousands only. So we can cancel 1,000 directly, 3 zeros. So in the case of first person, starting with 14. After 3 months, he was invested 6,000. So first 14 up to 3 months, 14 into 3 42. Now 6,000 investment. Already 40,000, 6,000 investment. Now 20,000 The 20,000 will balance 9 months. 20 into 9 180. Is to second person started with 18. He was after 3 months Biman invested. That means after 6 months. First 3 months, next month, overall 6 months. So these 18 up to 6 months. 18 6 108 plus how much extra invested 7,000. Already 18,000 there, extra 7,000. 18 plus 7 25,000 for balance 6 months. 25 6 150. In the case of third person started with 21. Here after 3 more months Chaman, and obviously after 9 months investigation 21,000 up to 9 21 nines 189. Extra he was added 4,000. 21 plus 4 25. 21 plus 4 25. 25 into balance 9 months, sorry 3 months, 25 into 3 75. 25 into 3 75. Right now much 42, it is 1 triple 2 258 180 250 264. But the question asking what is the share of Chaman, third person was getting 264 parts out of 658 60 80 680 744 into total profit is 14880. Exactly 2 times 14. 264 into 2 528. 528 and option C. Option C 5280. Right now, next. Here number series questions are there What will comes in the place of question mark? 1 3 10 41 206 question mark starting with 1 1 3 10. Here we can write into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 5 plus 1. Obviously, next should be into 6 plus 1 ma. 206 into 6 ma. 1236 plus 1. 1237. 1237. Right ma. Next. 14, 22, 32, 44, 58. All the numbers ma nearby each other only. Take the difference. 8, 10, 12, 14. So even 8, 10, 12, 14, next should be 16. 58, 68, 74. Next one. 34, 51, 68, 85, 102, question mark. Now, if you observe, very simple, all are the multiples of 17. 17 multiples. 17 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Next should be 17 sevens. 17 sevens are 119. 17 multiples. 17 sevens 119. Option D. Next. 264, 262, 271, 243, 308, question mark. If you observe the difference, difference here minus 2, here plus 9, 250 and 250 21, 28, minus 28, 57, 65 it is plus 65. Symbols alternate minus plus minus plus. Next should be minus. You will get minus plus minus plus. Now next here, if you observe the 2, we can write as 1 cube plus 1. 9 we can write as 2 cube plus 1, 3 cube plus 1, 4 cube plus 1. So the alternate difference that should be cube plus 1 So next should be 5 cube plus 1 5 cube plus 1, 125 plus 1 126. So 308 minus 126 nothing but 182. 182 option E Option E 182. Right Next. 11, 23, 59, 119, 203. Here we can write 11 to 23. What are the difference 12 difference. 23, 59, 9 minus 3, 6, 36 difference 59, 119 60 difference. 119, 203 120, 81, 84 difference 84 difference is there 12, 36, 61, 12 threes, 12 fives, 12 sevens it is, we can take 12 ones, 12 threes, 12 fives, 12 sevens. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. Next should be 12 nines 108. 12 nines 108. So 203 plus 108 311 311 nothing but option B. Option B 311. Next. Right, the given pie chart shows the percentage of total number of employees in 5 different companies. Total employees 1600 candidates are there 1600 and in that A, B, C, D percentage of the information is given, and the table given shows the ratio of male to female ratio. Male to female ratio is given. Now, first one find the total female employees in all companies. Question asks how many females are all companies. So in first case female 1 out of 3. 1/3 of 12% nothing but 4 percentage. Plus in next case 1/5 females 1 part out of 5 parts. 1/5 of 20 nothing but 4 percentage. In next females 3 out of 4. 3/4 of 32 4 8 so 8 3 is 24. 24%. Next D 1:1 is equal 19 and obvious half of that 9.5. Next 1/4 of 17 that you will get my decimal value 1/4 of 17. 1/4 of 17 nothing but 4 4 the 16. 4.25 4.25%. So this is my total number of females, that is in terms of percentage 4 8 24 plus 8 32 41 45.75 ma. So total females ma 45.75 percentage ma, 45.75% ma. So if you observe ma 50 percentage is how much ma, 800. Lesser than 800 ma, lesser than 800 ante obvious ga 732 or 700 ma chances, but none of these also there ma, none of these also ma. So if you take the 45 percentage ma, 800 minus 80 ma, 800 minus 80 nothing but 720 ma. This is equals to 720 plus 0.75 ma, 1 percentage is 16, 0.75 nothing but 12. So obviously 732, option B ma, 732 ma. Next 68 ma, 68. What is the difference? Question asking ma, difference. What is the difference between the number of male from C and the number of female from B? Male from C, male 1 out of 4, 1/4 of 32 ma, nothing but 8 percentage. And female from B, female 1, 1/5 of 20 ma, nothing but 4 percentage. 8%, 4% difference ma, 4 percentage. We require ma 4% value. 1 percentage is 16 ma, 16 fours are 64. 64 ma, option A. Option A 64. Next 69th. Total number of male employees from E is approximately what percent more ma? Percent more. Question asking ma, what percent more of the number of male employees from D? Male of E, male of E ma, nothing but E male 3 out of 4, 3/4 of 17 ma, 3/4 of 17 ma. Already we saw ma earlier ma, 4 table ma, we can cancel 4.25 times, 4.25 3 times ma, nothing but 12.75 ma. It is ma, male of E is what percent more than the male of D? D male 1:1 ratio obviously equal to 9.5. How much power ma? 9.5 to 12, 3.25 extra. 3.25 by 9.5 into 100 ma. 3.25 దాదాపుగా 3 times ఉందమ్మా. So 3 times nothing but 1/3, 33% దగ్గరలో మా. 33% nearest option ma, 34% ma. 34 percentage. Next 70. The total number of male employees from ABC together is what percent of, is what percent of, is term by off term into 100 ma, is what percent of total number of employees from ABC together ma. So ABC male employees, A 2 parts out of 3 ma, 2/3 of 12, 2/3 of 12 nothing but ma 8%. B 4/5 of 20 ma, nothing but 16%. Next ma 1/4 of 32, nothing but 8%. Ma 8 16 plus 16 ma 32 percentage is there. Out of what percent of ABC together? ABC means ma 32 ma 64. Half nothing but ma obviously 50 percentage. 50% nothing but ma D. 50% nothing but ma D. Next 71 ma. In company F, number of male employees is F ma. We having the data up to E only, but talking about F ma. F. In company F, number of male employees is 25% more than the number of male employees from B. So talking F male ma, 25% more than of male of B. Male of B ma 4/5 ma, 4/5 of 20 nothing but ma 16 percentage. So 16% additional 25%, nothing but 1/4 of this, nothing but ma 4%. That means male is 20%. Next, and the number of female employees of F is 25% more than the female of A. So here ma female 25% more than female of A. Female of A ma 1/3 of 12, 1/3 of 12 nothing but ma 4%. In this additional 12%, nothing but 1/4 ma 1%. It is ma 5%. 5% ma. Male 20, female 5 in F ma, in F. Now the question asking ma, what is the ratio of number of employees from F to C? Number of employees, that is altogether ma. F altogether how much ma? 25. C altogether ma 32. 25 is to 32, option A. Option A ma 25 is to 32. right pa 25, but actually C is 32 ma. By looking we can decide option A, maybe chances would be there, but one more option, none of these also there ma. None of these also there, that's why that should be careful ma. Whenever none of this is not there, instead of some more number is there ma, at that time we can give option A also without doing the calculation ma. Next, 72 to 76 ma. Bar graph given, the given bar graph shows the number of students in different classes of S, T, U, V and W ma. First one A, B, C ma classes. How many students are there by S, T, U, V, W ma? So first one, what is the difference between the total number of students from class B and C together in all the schools? Question asking ma B and C difference asking ma. We can calculate entire B value, entire C value. Otherwise, but take individual our comfortable way ma. So for example, B and C ma. B and question asking difference between classes B and C ma. Here ma B is more. Here also B is more. B is more. B is more. But B is less ma. That should be done something. Whenever B is more, but take the positive simply. What is the difference ma here? 150. In second case difference ma 50. In next case difference is 150. In next case difference ma 200, 150 and 50. Next case difference ma 150 to 300 ma. So it is more ma. That is negative ma. Negative 150. So these two gets cancelled ma. What is the difference? 150, 200 to 250 ma. So difference is ma 250. Option B ma 250. Right ma. Next, 73. Number of students in class B from W is what percent of total number of students from U in all the classes ma. Class BW is what percent of is term by after ma. Class BW nothing but 150. What percent of U in all the classes ma. U in all the classes. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 5 ma 950. 150 by 950 into 100 ma. So 53 is 15, 90 is ma. 3 by 19 ma. 1 by 19 nothing but ma 19 5 5 point something ma. So nothing but 15 point, nearly 15 point means 15.78. 15.78 ma. Next, 74. What is the ratio of the total number of students from V in all the classes together to the total number of students from S in all? What is the ratio of V to S ma? V 450, 600 is to S. Yes ma 5 plus 650 ma 650. 12 is to 13 ma. Option B. 5 12s, 5 13s. What is the average number of students class A from all students ma? What is the average of class A ma? Class A 2 plus 150 ma 350, 650, 7 900, 1250 ma. 1250 by 5. 1250 by 5 nothing but ma 250. Next ma 76. What is the difference between the number of students in class A and B from STW schools together ma? Question asking ma difference between class A and B from STW. STW. STW ma. Take the A values ma. A values ma 2 plus 150 350 plus 350 ma 700. B ma 300 250 550 150 ma 550 150 700 ma. Difference ma 0. 0 not there ma none of these. 0 is not there ma none of these. Next ma. First equation ma minus plus 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 ma no need, so directly we can decide the answer ma. Whenever first is minus next is plus ma. X values are positive values, y values are negative values ma. So directly x is greater than y. X greater than y ma. Directly we can decide ma. No need to, because whenever first is minus next is plus ma, positive values you will get ma. Here negative values ma. Next, here ma 3 6 ma 3 6 are 18, 18 ma 3 plus 6 only 9 ma suitable, but x values minus 3 minus 6 by 3 by 3 ma 1 and 2 minus 1 minus 2. 12 nothing but ma 3 4s are 12. Sorry, 3 4s are 12 but not suitable. 6 2s are 12 suitable. 6 2s 12. 6 minus 4. But minus 6 plus 2 ma minus 6 plus 2 and obvious y value 6 and minus 2. Negative, both negative values compared to 6 ma lesser only. Minus 1 compared to minus 2 ma greater. So lesser greater ma relation cannot be established. Relation cannot be established. Nothing but option C. Option C ma relation cannot be established. Next 79 ma x square minus x minus 72 ma 72 ma 8 nines minus 9 plus 8 ma and x equals to 9 minus 8 40 ma 8 5 minus 8 plus 5 and 8 minus 5 9 is compared to 8 ma greater, compared to minus 5 ma greater, but minus 8 ma compared to 8 ma lesser, greater lesser ma, so relation cannot be established. Relation cannot be established ma. Next 12 threes ma 36, 36 ma you will get ma 9 fours not sure about 6 6 are 36 ma minus 6 ma nothing but 6 and 6, x value 6 6 by 3. 18 3 is 54 ma 18 3 is 54 and 9 6 are 54 minus 9 minus 6 nothing but ma 9 and 6, 9 6 by 3 by 3 it is 3 ma it is 2, it is 2 only. 2 means ma lesser as well as equal, x less than or equals to y, x less than or equal to y ma option E.